Hey guys, real quick, before we get into the video, just want to throw a disclaimer. This is a pretty boring video. You know, the race wasn't the greatest, really dusty. I was battling a sickness, so I ended up pulling off a lap early, but I wanted to throw some clips together and at least use a little bit of the footage that I got. So let's get into it.
And your pro division is off and rolling. Weiscarver and Robert Zadell, row number 3, single driver, ready to go for it in a matter of
10 seconds.
We just finished up here at IXCR, and let me tell you, it's dusty, and you guys that are regulars here racing this series, man, it's tight. Props to you for going that fast through those tight sections. You know, shout out to these tree kickers. If you don't have tree kickers in this series, you need them. You know, I'm pretty sure I finished second in class. Pulled off a lap early because I'm battling a sickness and I feel terrible, but decided to come race anyway. So